Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. My topic is about saving endangered species in Iraq and especially in Kurdistan. This report is prepared for Hana Raza. She's a biologist and works for saving rare animals and Iraqi Ministry of Environment. In this brief PowerPoint presentation, I am going to talk about first, introduction to introduce the problem and causal factors that make them to be endangered animals, and how losing those species are affecting a specific ecosystem. Method section and result section talking about main causal factors and 10 top endangered species. After that, conclusion and then the recommendations for the problem. Introduction. Endangered species is a species that are very likely to become extinct in the near future. Those species may be at risk due to factors such as habitat loss, pollution, and overhunting. Each species on Earth has its own importance to a specific ecosystem. In a way, if one species in the food web ceases to exist, one or more members in the rest of the chain could cease to exist too. Also, there are many solutions for the problem to solve it, but the most important ones are protecting them by reducing illegal hunting, protecting their habitats, and protecting wildlife from pollution. In order to prepare this presentation and the next report, I used many websites and articles regarding endangered species problem, such as scholarly articles, and I also did problem-solving method and root cause analysis. The results section of my report represents the main causal factors of the problem, which are pollution, including water pollution and air pollution. This factor may muddy landscapes, poison solids and waterways. Also, industrial processes lead toxic chemicals to be streamed on air, which contribute to disease and deaths of many species. Second, human activities which influence extinction and endangerment fall into deforestation and ecological damage by climate change. Third, overhunting, which cause damage to the population of a species. And finally, talking about top 10 endangered species that collected by IUCN Red List Endangered Species. According to statistics, the number of endangered species is rising among 2007 to 2019, which is increased by almost 40% between 2007 and 2019. For example, according to IUCN Red List, many reptile species that are represented by a dark red color in the graph are concentrated in rainforest regions and endangered by deforestation. And also for those species which are particularly sensitive to environmental change, such as climate change, like mollusks who live on land and in freshwater, so they are endangered by habitat destruction. The conclusion of my report represents the potential solution of the problem, which are reducing illegal hunting, protecting animal habitats, and protecting wildlife from pollution. For reducing illegal hunting, our organization will request legal protection by protecting their habitats, also raising the application of laws against illegal hunting and trading, as well as preventing the requests of their staffs that derive from rare animals, such as their meat, skin, other parts of their body by law application. For protecting animal habitats, we can use the mechanism like forestry management techniques, which are prevent using wood, replanting, and preventing fire, and conservation of forests and rivers to protect more animal habitats. And finally, for protecting wildlife from pollution, we can prevent air pollution and water pollution by CAA, which stands for Clean Air Act, laws that work in reducing the amount of ozone level to provide fresh water and air. Here's a decision matrix for my report. The criteria are time, cost, area location, researchable plan, and type of species. And there are three options. First, reducing illegal hunting. Second, protecting animal habitats. Third, protecting wildlife from pollution. I am weighting them from 1 to 5. 5 is the highest weight, and I also rating them from 1 to 10, and I got the weighted score by multiplying weight and rate and then adding them to get the total score. As you can see, protecting animal habitats, which is option 2, is the best solution because it gets the highest rank. The recommendations are reducing air pollution and water pollution, reducing the effects of human activities, controlling the illegal hunting by forest policies. We can do that by sharing awareness to make people to be aware of the problem, by preserving habitat of wildlife, by using eco-friendly products, and also by law enforcement. At the end, I want to thank you all for listening to my presentation.